Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are listening or watching from. You are welcome to today's class. And I remain my humble self, Osita Chukwuemeka David, aka, you know it now. If you know it, you can just put it on the comment box. You can comment on my nickname if you know it. Before I start the class proper, I would like to wish my Muslim brothers and sisters happy Salah celebration. Even though I am yet to receive my set of meat, so but notwithstanding, we are celebrating with you. So, as you can see on the screen, we are going to be talking about a fundamental concept in mathematics, which is called sets. Sets. We have all been using this language set, but you are just using it as a layman. For example, back then when we used to play ball, say, let's form our own set. Let's form our own set. Yeah, monkey pose, we now form our own set. They have sack our set. Or you come, you say after sets. That is actually an example of a set. Also, at home, you have set of pots, set of cutleries, cosmetic kits, they come in sets. All these things are examples of sets. And you are also speaking a mathematical language which you did not realize. However, now you know. So a set is just like a well-defined collection of distinct objects. And these topics serve as a cornerstone from which algebra and calculus, down to logic and even computer science, this is the cornerstone. This is where they emanated from, some of the concepts. So in this course, we will explore the definitions, the notation related to sets. We will also examine the methods or the ways in which we describe sets. Then we'll talk about the essential operations in sets like the union, the intersection, the Cartesian products, symmetric difference, and so on. Also, we are also going to be exploring real life situations using sets. We are going to be explaining some real life concepts using sets. Now, a firm grasp, or if you master this set properly, it will not only deepen your understanding of mathematics, but it will also enhance your what? Your logical reasoning and your analytical skills. So I encourage you all to engage attentively with the material and ask questions where necessary and approach the topic with curiosity and discipline. With this, we're going to begin our journey into the world of sets. So, of course, we have a plan for this particular topic. We won't just go in and maybe talk about anything that comes to our mind. We've all got it planned. So, before we start, who and who needs this topic? What are the categories of students that actually need to master this topic? So you can see the categories of learners that this video will benefit the most. The first one is, these are the senior secondary school or the high school. In some countries they call it high schools, but here in Nigeria we call it secondary school, senior secondary school. Then we also have the College of Education or College of Health students. Yes, you are going to take some mathematics courses in your year 1, and also if you are venturing into maths and statistics, or you are going to study computer science, or maybe engineering courses, definitely this uh, topic or this lesson is seriously packaged for you. Then polytechnic students and also university students. University students, as far as you are doing any science related course, you will need this. Engineering courses, you will need it. Also, if you are doing business, maybe management courses like business administration, accounting, you are going to need it. Banking and finance, public administration, and so on, you will need this. Even though studying economics, you are going to need this particular lesson. Then students preparing for JAM, the upcoming JAM, WAEC, that's WASC, we call it WASC, the NECO SSC, NAPTEP, SAT, and IGCSE. This lesson is for you. You should not have any excuse to miss this lesson. Is that clear? Is that clear? So, now, what are the objectives of this topic or of this lesson? It's simple. At the end of this topic, the learners should be able to define a set and give examples, state ways to represent sets, explain different types of sets, represent sets using set builder notation, perform the basic set operations such as union, intersection, complement, symmetry differences, and Cartesian product. And also we apply Venn diagrams to illustrate and solve problems involving sets. So with all this, these are just what we tend to achieve. So once you go through this video, all the videos you are going to be releasing, and you are not able to achieve all this, then you have to go back again until you achieve it. Now, the lesson, like I said, is a well-planned project. We won't just come and say anything we like and go. No, it has been carefully planned such that it is sequentially arranged to aid understanding. The first one, the lesson is divided into, the first phase of the lesson is divided into 7. Lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, lesson 4, as you can see it on the screen. But in lesson 1 or any of the lesson, we can also subdivide the lesson. Like this is the first lesson, introduction. So the second lesson will be definition of sets and so on. Then we also have down to lesson 8, lesson 9, down to lesson 15. So you can pause the video and go through the lesson so that it will help you in also your own planning. These videos will be released in at regular intervals. If you drop this, will allow you to, if you drop the first lesson, will allow you to assimilate it, ask questions. After that, we'll drop another one. But I know it won't take forever for us to finish this topic. Latest, in 2 to 3 weeks, we are done with this particular course. Now, I also want to share with you some of the reference materials I'm going to be using. We have the Shums outline, very popular textbook. We call it the Shum series also. And in this case, it's the Shums outline of what? Theory and problems of abstract algebra. Don't worry about the abstract algebra. It's not for you. The major one is the first topic, which has to do with sets. That is the one we're going to be picking some of our content from. Then we have the new concept mathematics for SS1. The new general mathematics, that was the book I used when I was in secondary school. New general, very powerful book. Then the new further maths project. That one too, very, very nice. And then the man mathematics for SS1. This one is very, very strong, and it encompasses a lot of things. So you can also, why I'm sharing this is so that you can also read it and use it to boost whatever I am going to be sharing with you. So this is where I will stop my intro for now. So I am pleading that you all participate in this project. I need your encouragement. Don't worry, it's not about money. I need your encouragement through your what? Your I need your audience. I need you to watch this video, to follow the video. And if you have questions, you ask. So I want this my intro to I need it to hit 100 likes if you truly want to understand set. Make it to hit 100 likes. For now, thank you very much. Bye.